Do you have some thoughts as to the opening remarks this morning from Mr. Sonnenberg?
I mean, I think it was a great kick-off to the meeting, and I think it reflects, the increasingly positive attitude in the industry at the moment. Especially in oil and gas, which is where I work. So, yeah, a great kick-off for the meeting. Looking forward to it.
He seemed pretty upbeat about where business is headed. Are you beginning to see that the thaw from the recession?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's just what we would talk about. In fact, that we're in our business in oil and gas. We're getting a lot of inquiries. We're getting a lot of callbacks. It's picking up pretty strongly at the moment.
How about you folks? Which divisions?
Process management. Yes, we're seeing very strong growth, and we're oil and gas industry and the wireless business as well. And it's what we're seeing in our business is certainly reflected in what Steve said this morning. We're really seeing the same trends. So it's very positive.
So the wireless heart devices are getting picked up by the end users?
Oh yes, quite so. We're probably 90% of the market at present time and growing strong. The business more than doubled last year, so we're very encouraged.
And I'm with the Systems and Solutions organization, and Steve's 2 points about focus, bring results, and collaboration. The collaboration is a very key initiative on the part of the oil and gas industry right now, especially because there is more and more thought being given to how to design facilities so that you don't have to have all of your experts resident in the facility itself, but you have access to people no matter where they are in the world. And this is creating a real collaborative kind of environment working with these oil companies. So we're now sitting on the same side of the table with them and designing facilities to operate according to their guidelines and their personnel requirements and the training requirements, and then positioning those facilities to make best use of technology. So Steve's remarks were just spot on with what the industry trends appear to be.
Emerson does a wonderful job in expressing their direction and focus on new products and how they're helping the customer. So it's always good to see.
Are you enjoying an uptick in business so far?
Yes, obviously in 2009 we survived, and 2010 has been a growth year for us also. Is that true?
That's absolutely true.
What technologies do you see as being pivotal to that Emerson and others, well, that you're coming up with yourself?
We're working with them on the CHARMS technology for intrinsic safety side, and Philbus has obviously been a growth path for us also.
So what impression did you take away from Sonnenberg's remarks this morning?
It's good that the times are looking better, so we are moving forward with more and newer technology. I think that's a good thing.
Are you beginning to see some evidence of that yourself? Of better looking times, that is?
Yeah. I was at the exchange last year with one colleague. This year I'm here with 4 more, so that's an improvement.
It's a very practical measure. You're with Fisher. I mean, he spoke highly of your new technical center there in Marshalltown.
Yeah, and he mentioned anti-surge valves, which I'm one of the ones that started all that, and so it's nice to see, and he's got the picture, he understands the big processes, and he knows what's going on there, so I connected quite well there.
Okay. How about you?
Also with Fisher. Yeah, definitely come and see the Innovation Center. The invitation's always open. Yeah, I was also impressed with Steve's comment about the technology we've gone through in the past few years and stuff, and the fact that we're actually moving into many of the technical solutions needed by our customers.
Okay, thank you very much.
Well, I mean, I thought that Sonnenberg's presentation was pretty good. I thought he did a great job, and I do think that the 2 key points that he hit on, the focus delivering the results and the cooperation drives the purpose, or collaboration provides the purpose, is important. And I think that Emerson's done a good job over the last several years kind of showing that and living to those principles. And I think what they had last year, I was very excited about version 11. And I think I want to see what they've done this year to continue on those themes of the human-centric design. And I want to definitely get into those operation theaters downstairs, where it sounds like they want to focus more on how to use all the products together to solve a problem, as opposed to just the features and benefits of any one product. So that's what I'm looking for.